So we will do bonding in boranes. We have done classification on the basis of their the bonds which are present in them in the last lecture. So in this lecture we will do bonding in boranes. Now the electrons which are involved in framework, that is the skeletal structure of BN cluster in boranes, are referred to as skeletal electrons. Means all the electrons which are involved in the framework. The BHP bonds are considered as part of BN framework, whereas terminal BH bonds are not. जो terminal BH bonds हैं, the terminal BH bonds, you know, I have in the last lecture I have told you about terminal hydrogens and bridged hydrogen and bridged borons, and we have done bonds classification of bonds on the basis of this also in the last lecture. So all the BHP bonds, they are involved in PN framework, but BH, that is the terminal BH bonds, they are not involved in the framework. Now each boron atom has 3 valence electrons, of which 1 electron is used up by each boron atom of the framework in the normal 2-center 2-electron terminal BH bond, and the remaining 2 electrons are used up in BN framework. Now obviously we know that the configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So when the hybridization takes place in boron, so it is after the hybridization we have 3 valence electrons. So we have 3 valence electrons, of which 1 electron is used up in each boron atom by in the framework. जो basic framework होता है boron का, boron structure का जो framework होता है, 1 electron is used there and by each boron atom, and the remaining two 1 electron that is used up in 2-center 2-electron terminal BH बॉन्ड, एक यहाँ पे यूज करेगा और दूसरा जो बॉन्ड है वो हाइड्रोजन से आएगा. बाकी जो 2 इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, द रिमेनिंग 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दे आर यूज्ड अप by the boron in BN framework. However, boron atom of each terminal BH2 group contributes 1 electron to BN framework. Yes, and the terminal BH2 group from this 1 electron, that is each contributed to this BN framework. Remaining, see, it has 3 electrons, 3 valence electrons, 1 electron it will use in the framework, then 2 are left, 1 electron it will use in bond with hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, and another electron it will use in forming the bond with another hydrogen. Thus overall bonding in boranes is codified as 4-digit number called Stike's number. So there is a Stike's number which is allotted to each borane, and from going through that Stike's number we can predict that what type of bonding is present in a particular borane. So the first digit of that Stike's number, it represents 3-center 2-electron BHP bond, first digit. In the structure, the second, third and fourth digit represents respectively, means the second digit it will represent the number of 3-center 2-electron BBB or BBB bonds, either BBB bent bond or this BBB bridged bond. Then third digit, that will represent 2-center 2-electron BB bond, and the fourth digit, that will represent the BH2 group present. Fourth digit, that will represent the number of BH2 groups present. So this is all about the Stike's number. So we will do few examples based on this. So first of all I will show you bonding in B2H6. This is diborane, B2H6, B2H6 diborane, BHP, BHP, BHH. This is the structure of B, the simplest borane, diborane. So it has 2 terminal BH2 groups. You can see terminal BH2 group. They are present in one plane, and the bridged BHB, this BHB part of the molecule is present in a plane perpendicular to the plane containing two BH2 groups. Now, this plane that is present in a plane perpendicular to the plane containing two BH2 groups. Two valence electrons of each boron atom are used in terminal BH2 bonding, and the remaining one that is used in BHP bonding. Yes, it has 3 valence electrons. You know, they have 3 valence electrons which are used in bonding. So two electrons, they are used. One electron is used to form bond with this hydrogen. One electron of boron that is used to form a bond with this hydrogen, and one remaining electron that is used in BHP bond, right? And in this case, it will use its one electron to form bond with hydrogen, one with to form this electron to form bond with this hydrogen, and one remaining to form the BHP bond. So you can see the Stokes number. Stokes number of B2H6 is 2002. So 2, how it came? 2. It has 2 BHP bonds. 1, 2. 2 BHP bonds. It has 0 BBB or BBB bent or BBB bridged bond. Yes, no, it is not there. 0 BB bonds. Yes, there is no BB boron-boron bonding. And there are 2 BH2 bonds. Yes, there are 2. This is one BH2 group and this is the second BH2 group present. So this is all about your diborane. So we can say that total number of valence electron of 2 boron atoms, total number of valence electrons of 2 boron, 3 plus 3 6 electrons used up in 2 BHP bridges, 2, that you know, this 3 center 2 electron bond, so 2 electrons are used in forming the bond. Then electrons used in 4 terminal BH bonds, 4, 1 2 3 4. Then next we have, or we can say it like this also, total number of valence electrons are 12 B2H6, 6 from boron and 6 from hydrogen. Electrons used up in 2 BHB bridges, 4, and electrons used up in 4 BH bonds, 8. So 8 plus 4, 12. This is how we can show you how all the electrons they have been used. Then next we have, next borane which we will study is your B4H10 borane. Stokes number is 4012. Stokes number you can see 4012. So BHB bonds are 4, 1 2 3 4. BBB bond or BBB, bent BBB bond or bridged BB bond is 0. Yes, there is no, you can see here, there is no bent or bridged BBB bond present. BB, boron-boron bond, one boron-boron bond is present. And how many BH2 groups are present? 2. BH2, 1, second. So out of, there are 22 valence electrons here. How 22? 4 into 3, 12 from boron and 10 from hydrogen. So 22 valence electrons. Now 8 electrons, they are used in the formation of 4 BHP bond, because 2 are used in each BHB bond. Then two electrons, they are used in the formation of 2 center 2 electron BB bond, while 12 electrons, they are used in the formation of 6 2 center 2 electron BH bonds, that you can see in the structure. Now bonding in B5H9, this is the structure of B5H9. Stokes number is 4120. You can see. So It has 4 BHB bonds. Find out 4 BHB bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it has one BBB. It has this one, bridged, not bent, but bridged, BBB bond. You can find it out. This is B, 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 bridged, B, 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 1. Then it has 2 BB bonds. We can see where are the BB bonds present in, and it has 2 BB bonds and 2 BH2 groups are present in it. BH2 groups are 0. There are no BH2 groups present, but BB bonds are 2. These are 1, ये एक BB bond है और ये एक second BB bond है. Now we can see that out of 24 valence electrons, 15 from boron and 9 from hydrogen. 5 boron and 9 hydrogen atoms, they are involved in bonding or in B5H9. 8 electrons are used in 4 3-centered 2 electron BHP bridge bonds. I have shown you BHP bonds. 2 electrons in 3-centered 2 electron BBB triple bridge bond, that I have shown you triple bridge bond, this BBB. 4 electrons in 2-centered 2 electron BB bond, I have shown you BB bond, and remaining 10 electrons in 5 2-centered 2 electron BH bonds. All the BH bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 BH bonds. There are no BH2 groups present here. Then next we have the structure of B5H11. Stike's number is 3203. B5H11. You can see Stike's number is 3203. So there are 3 BHB bonds present, 1, 2 and 3. 3 BHB bonds are present. 2 BBB, this triple bridge bond is present. 2 triple bridge bonds are present. So B, B, B and B, 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 this. Then BB bond, you can see there is no boron atom, 0, and BH2 groups are 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 BH2 groups are there here. So out of 26 valence electrons, 15 valence electrons from boron and 11 from hydrogen. 5 boron and 11 hydrogen atoms. 6 electrons are used in 3-centered 2 electron BHP bridge bonds. I have shown you that also. 3 BHP bonds. Then 4 electrons, they are used in 2 3-centered 2 electron BBB triple bridge bonds, that also I have shown you, and the remaining 16 electrons in 8 terminal BH bonds. You can count the 8 terminal BH bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 BH bonds. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 BH bonds. So this is all about the structure of this borane B5H11. Then next we have the structure of B6H10. B6H10, four 220. That is the Stike's number. BHB bond, 4 BHB bonds are there. You can count 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHB bonds. 2 BBB triple bridge bond. You can find out these two. 1, ये देखो 1, 2. Then 2 BB bonds. We have 2 BB bonds, 1 BB bond, and this is the second BB bond. And BH2 0 groups. No BH2 groups. BH2 terminal groups. ये जो हाइड्रोजन आएगी, अगर आप ये बोलो कि ये जो आ गया BH2, नहीं, this hydrogen that is in BHB, ये फ्रेमवर्क में इन्वॉल्व है. So that is not the terminal hydrogen. ये framework में involved है. So we don't have any BH2 groups here. So out of 28 valence electrons, 6 into 3 plus 10, we have 8 electrons. They are used in 4 3 center 2 electron BHP bonds. I have shown you BHP bonds, 4 BHP bridge bonds, 4 electrons in 2 3 center 2 electron BBB triple bridge bonds. Yes, 4 electrons also I have shown you in BBB 2 triple bridge bonds, and 4 electrons in 2 center 2 electron BB bonds, and the remaining 12 electron in 6 2 center 2 electron terminal BH bonds. Yes, there are 6, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 BH bonds here, terminal BH bonds, they are present. So this is about B6H10. Next we have the structure of B10H14. This is very important structure. B10H14. Stykes number is 4620. 4620 is the Stykes number. Now count BHP bonds. 4 BHP bonds are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. BBB bond, these triply bridged BBB bonds, they are 6 in number. Triply bridged BB bonds, they are 6 in number, and this involves both. I'll write here triply bridged, or along with that they are also or BBB bent bonds. BBB bent bonds, both they are 6 in number. So we will see how they are. One is this B, this is B, ये जो यहाँ से bond है इस B को pass कर रहा है, B 1 2 B ये 2 हो गया. Then we have this third 3 4, right? And you can see it like this 5 6. Fine. So we have these 6. Then BB bonds are 2 in number, 1 and 2. Then we have BH2. No BH2 group is there. No, there are terminal hydrogens, but not BH2 terminal hydrogens here. So this is I hope it is clear now. You must be clear with this BBB or BBB, bent BBB and triply bridged BBB bond. I'll show it again. 1 BBB, 2, see third is this BBB, fourth is this BBB. Then we have the fifth one. You can see it is like this, it like this B, and sixth one B and B. So here we have 44 valence electrons of 10 boron and 14 hydrogen atoms. You know how the 44 came. 10 into 3 30 plus 14 44. 8 electrons they are used up in 4 3 center 2 electron BHB bridge bonds. I have shown you that. 8 electrons in 4 3 center 2 electron triple bridge BBB bonds, and 4 electrons in 2 3 center 2 electron BBB. I have shown you 4 3 center 2 electron BBB bonds and 2 3 center 2 electron BB bond bent bridge bonds. Then 4 electrons in 2 center 2 electron BB bonds. I have shown you that also, BB bonds, and remaining 20 electrons in 10 terminal 2 center 2 electron BH bonds. So you can count the terminal hydrogens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, BH9, and this is 10. So 10 terminal hydrogens. So next is the nomenclature of boranes. So a Latin name is given in front: nido, arachno. These all are closoboranes. These all names, they depend upon the skeletal structure of your borane, that we will do in the next lecture. Skeletal structure of the boranes, how these names are given: nido, arachno, closo. But you can see that here in parenthesis we write number of hydrogens. So this is nido, and the skeletal structure is of nido type. So nidodecaborane 14, arachno pentaborane 11 hydrogen, arachno type of skeletal structure. Pentaborane, obviously 5 borons, and this is the, we add 8 to, if there is an ion we add 8 to it, and in bracket we write the चार्ज, जो नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है इस पे. सो डेका हाइड्रो क्लोजो डेका बोरेट. डेका हाइड्रो 10 hydrogens. Closo is the structure of your skeletal BN framework. So closo decaborate. Then tetra decahydro. Tetra deca 14 means hydro. Arachno decaborate. Arachno is the structure, so that is why decaborate. So in the next lecture we will do Wadde's rule and these classification on the basis of the skeletal structure of the boranes. Thank you.